Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and doing well. This is Kiran and welcome to my channel Create with Kiran. Today we are going to make this beautiful mandala art on canvas. Last time we had made a mandala art using glass color and acrylic cone, but this time we are going to use different techniques with different colors. Also, I'm going to answer all your questions like how to make big circles on canvas, how to trace, how to make symmetric designs. So in this video you will see all the processes with some tricks and tips. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. We are using 2 feet square size canvas, golden acrylic and ultra acrylic colors and some brushes. Before working on the canvas, I'm going to show all the processes on a paper. We'll see 4 ways to make circles and grid lines, which is basic for our mandalas design. First, I'm using this compass rounder, which we normally use for making small circles. Now from the center, use this protector for marking, divide it in 2 parts and mark in 1 centimeter each. Now by joining the dots, I'm drawing lines. So our basic grid line is ready. Now we will make our circles. In this stage, you can join these dots and make your circle. This is second way of making circles. Suppose we need 10 cm radius of a circle. Here mark 10 cm from the center, and by joining the dots you can make your circle. Third way is this thread technique. Take a thread and place on the center. Take the measurement. Tie with a pencil or a chalk. Now hold the pencil in 90-degree angle and make the circle. This technique is very useful when you work on a big surface like a wall. Okay, one tip, don't use any stretchable thread like wool. Use the cotton one. And in this process also you need to mark with a scale, because somehow if your angle changes you will not get the perfect circle. Now fourth technique, for this you need a strip like this, little strong, that when you put pencil like this the hole should not stretch. This is a canvas strip. If you have a sari border, that will also work. This is my favorite technique. For this you need 2 pencils, one pencil to put on the center and another pencil to make the circle. Now measure the length of your circle. This is the best process I have used till now. If you don't have strip or don't have sari border, you can use a paper strip. And yes, if you are doing mandalas on wall, you can just use this technique. This is very good. And instead of pencil you can use a nail on the center, though we need our strip to move. So you can see how we can easily make our circles with these simple tricks. Now let's quickly do this on the canvas where we are going to make the final design. Then we will make our designs directly on the canvas and we will discuss about the tracing. Here our grid lines are ready, but if you want to make small designs, little lengthy designs, you can divide it and mark with 0.5 cm and draw your lines like this. Now let's talk about tracing. For tracing we use the basic technique, that is carbon paper. There are so many color carbon papers are available. I'll suggest to choose a lighter color like yellow, and you can take print out of your design if you want, and you can easily trace the design. Or what I do, sometimes I make my designs on the practice book, and for tracing I use this type of transparent tracing paper to trace my design. Let's see the process. See how easily we copied our design. In this stage, you can use the carbon paper to trace on the canvas, or if you don't have carbon paper, you can use this pencil. This shading technique is very good because while tracing, you can see through the paper that you are tracing your design on the correct place, and with a carbon paper, this is not possible. You can misplace your design sometime. We are going to make this Ganesha's design on the center, so let's trace it. See, we trace our design perfectly on the center. With the help of this tracing paper, you can even copy your design from the laptop, tab or from the mobile. Just make the screen lock and put on the screen, then make the copy. Now let's draw all the circles that we need in our design. Then we will discuss how we can directly make those symmetric designs on the canvas. Here our circles are ready. Let's make our design. For designs, you can count the grid lines and make your design like this. If you're good at drawing in this way, you can easily make your design. Or what you will do, just make one design on the canvas and take the same cutout of paper and trace on the canvas. In this way you can save time and you will get the symmetric design. Now let's finish rest of our design. Here our pencil work is completed. Now before coloring, we will erase these unwanted lines. Now for coloring, we will use only acrylic colors. In this video, I have tried to answer lots of your questions and shared some tricks and tips from my experience. Friends, if you like this type of detailed with tricks and tips video, please let me know on the comment box and hit the like button so that I can make more on this type of video in the future. Now let's color it, and meanwhile we will discuss about how to protect our art piece. After your art piece fully dried, then you can use the protection layer. You can use good quality varnish or epoxy resin. If you are doing on the canvas, then I will suggest to use varnish or resin for the permanent protection. For temporary protection, you can use Mod Podge. And on the MDF board, you can even use the clear wood varnish. And after the varnish fully dried, whenever you see dust, just use a dry cloth or a flat brush for dusting. For mandalas, even you can make a normal cloth, and these are very good for gifting. Though we know festive seasons are coming, so we all decorate our home with colors. So you can try this type of hand painted mandala, which will give to your home a positive and energetic look. Try it and don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment box. Here I'm completing the painting, and I'm going to keep my painting in white background because later I'm going to use some gold flakes and a resin coat to my design. You can make your own version of painting. You can even change the color of your painting. Try it and don't forget to share the photos with me. And feel free to write your suggestions, questions on the comment box. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to get notifications of the next videos. And if you like my videos, please hit the like button. So see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Stay blessed, stay happy.